Me don't know what them a pre-bout. Akeynote, can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop the gun, lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day blessed love, guys. Blessed love, blessed love. Good morning, good morning. Hope you're having a wonderful day anywhere you are, anywhere you're watching up. So see, I'm here with my twin.
Hello.
My princess, my big princess, you know. She said must keep the princess seeing me, not because she's getting older. She said she still call her princess, right?
Yeah.
She said, no daddy, you still have to call me. I'm still like your princess, same way. You know, so make sure I'm call her a big princess then, right? So guys, so we're here. There's a bit of rain here in Jamaica, but heading to the supermarket. I remember I did said I have to bring her for her to pick up water and what she eat because she's very picky, you know. So I never done any shopping, grocery shopping for her. So we're gonna head to the Brooklyn supermarket and she can choose what she wants. Because trust me, I don't know what she eat because she don't want this, she don't want that. She's too picky, not so picky, she's too picky. You know, too picky. So I guess she have to just. But for food for sure, she like her chicken and she like her rice and her curry goat, you know. But them things she would definitely like. But the others, boy, I don't even know. You know, but she have to just choose what she wants. So that is the plan. You know, so we're on the road and then we're gonna meet up with her mom because I guess she's gonna meet her grandma by her mom's side in Spanish Town. You know, even though we have some rain. So you know in Jamaica whenever it's rain there is traffic. You know, so hopefully there's not too much traffic on the road. So Tay first day in Jamaica after all these years away from her daddy, and we're back here rolling like brothers and sisters. So Tay, tell them what you do with yourself.
I go to university.
She's a university student, and that makes daddy proud as well, because she's doing well, you know. So tell them what you're doing in uni.
Psychology, study psychology.
Why you she's studying psychology? So if you feel like you're going mad, you know. I know she's shy now, but don't worry. I got the WD-40 to unshire.
What's that?
And you know WD-40 when you spray on something that's rusty.
Oh.
Yes, I'll spray a bit and so she's free up now. Yeah, so she's studying psychology. So you know if daddy going mad, she can work on anything. So me have somebody to help me with my mental health. You know, so you're doing that in uni, and it's what your first year, right?
Yeah, so it's 3 years.
3 years.
Yeah, it's my first year.
I'm telling you guys, she's very expensive too. You know, she burn daddy pocket sometimes. Hey, listen, she's expensive. You know, expensive mama. You know, but that's good. And she's also doing a little experience now. She's doing like a job experience, right?
Yeah, part-time.
Part-time. So that's good, you know. So she's very ambitious because she like to have her own money, so she have to go work fit and try, you know, calm down pan daddy and mommy pocket, you know, because she goes hard. You know, but I can't complain because I used to do that when I'm younger.
Exactly, I got it from you and my mom.
Yeah, so I can't complain, guys. You know, I'm saying like, oh, she want this at every time because I used to be like that. So when I see them traits, you know, I like, you know what, let it be because I once was like that, you know. So make sure you go on to when time you start to feel it yourself, now then you start to pull back. You know, but yes, I'm happy she's here. You know, I'm so happy. I'm so my Dindi is here. Please. Yeah, I'm so happy she's here. You know, so if I was stressed before, no stress gone. You know, so guys, we're gonna enter in Brooklyn supermarket. That's where I'm entering. You know, in Brooklyn, where the price is sky high.
But you need to unbox the wheel.
Yeah, I'm gonna do that after I'm gonna put on the stop, you know, so I mean I have to go unbox the gift. I have to unbox my gift. What? A lot of cars in here already. You know why? Easter.
But is it, oh yeah, because you said this.
So Brooklyn have some cars already. Oh, so I got a spot right here. So one set in my park, guys. Alright guys, so yes, so I just got my park and everything. So, you know, my daughter brought me a next cologne.
Remember he said come with a fresh one?
Yes.
So, come with a fresh one.
So she brought me a fresh one, the fresh drop, you know. She brought me the fresh drop, guys. Fresh from London, you know. And this is the Mount Blanc, you know. So this is not blank, this is a fire shot, you know. This is not blank, this is fire shot, and you can smell it already. So you have to explore the extreme. You see me? So let me go. Don't think I'm showing off, doing it, please, guys. You know, I'm not showing off. You know, with us.
It's nice as well, guys.
Yeah. But imagine, there's so much of blessings when time your child grow up and she's gifting you. You know, that is, you know, open the moon.
It's gonna be way more.
Yes, soon it's gonna be way more. I can't wait. You know, I can't wait. What?
Look at the packaging. Nice.
Hey. I look like the maple leaf. Oh, it's not a maple leaf, it's a star. So you see right in the middle, there's a star right there. You know, so she said daddy's a star, you know. Jeez, I like this already. Mount Blanc. And she
nice.
It looks nice. She got taste, you know, she got style. Cause
Smells nice.
granddad told me that my dad, which is your granddad, told me that you're surprising with the Crocs.
Oh yeah, I don't know. I got him Ugg Tasmans.
Yeah,
because he said he liked mine, so I bought him the Ugg Tasmans.
Yeah, so look at
Hi,
that.
Mikey.
Hey.
He told me I should say hi to him.
Yeah, so big up my daddy Mikey, you know. So let me. Smelling good. Smell good.
This is what you didn't
The last time I was bathing, you know. So I got one more gift. Thank you so much, my Dindim, my princess. Thank you so much. Thank you. Such a blessing. Look at that.
I like giving gifts.
That's nice. She like giving gifts. So trust me, I got so much more gifts to get from her. You know, this is not even the tip. You know, we need the iceberg. You know, so imagine when she start with the big money. You know, he said, "Daddy, what car you wants to drive?"
It's true though.
Right? She said, "Daddy, what car you want to drive?" I'm saying, "Alright, then depends in what time we're in, you know, because right now we're going in the AI version, so we don't know if I drive the."
It's gonna be a car that can drive itself.
Yeah, someone drive itself like one Tesla. I say, "Yes, my princess, can I have a Tesla, please?" Big up Oliver and Carla. That's the first Tesla I ever drive. Well, it drive me. I'm gonna drive it a little bit while I was in Florida. So big up Oliver and Carla. So I guess the next Tesla I'm gonna be driving is the one that my princess bought. Alright, so let's go in the supermarket because we don't want our mom to call and we're not ready yet. You know, because you know the time goes already in Jamaica. So guys, I left my mic, you know. I don't know where my mic is, so if you hear it kind of low, up, down, I don't know where my mic is, you know, but hopefully it's not lost. But,
It's like
yeah, so we're gonna make it go. So Miss Tay is here to get her shopping done. We want to start on sausages.
To eat with egg in the morning.
Eating the Epstein. Guys, Right now, me I try to tell her, I say, right now I'm trying to tell her to be careful of what she eating now, you know, because boy, I don't know what's in these, these sachets, these burgers, these things anymore, but, you know, I'm taking her to Yaya for her to get her worm out and this and that, you know, so it's sachets, you said?
Yeah. But that's a lot, though.
No. So, you got the small ones.
Yeah, so I'm not going to.
You're not going to eat all of it? We usually do boil them and fry.
Fry it, but I only do like one
This one.
when I make my egg sandwich. I wouldn't do that.
So this is like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. This is a dozen, 12. You want the 12?
Yeah.
12. I don't know what they use to make these sachets, boy, but
Maybe boil or anything.
no, we got the house already.
Some
You want to drink?
pineapple.
But
No, like actual pineapple. I love pineapple.
what, juice?
No, the actual fruit.
Or the fruit?
Yeah.
Oh, pioneer.
My
It's-
favorite.
But we have to buy the one to peel.
Oh, so they don't have it like
Cut up?
in like the chunks.
No, not in here, but you can get that on the outside.
Okay. Then.
So you still want to get your lettuce, you say you like, or your cucumber, the cucumber. Do you want any drink?
Yeah.
These natural drinks.
I like these. But don't they have a big one?
Fresh. Which one is that? Fresh.
I mean, this one's sweet one.
Yeah.
So get this one.
Yeah, if you want. See, if you make smoothie, you can use that to chase it if you want. The fruit smoothie. You put some of that to chase it. I'm gonna make one for you. Yes. You don't see nothing. Oh, there's some big ones.
Oh, these ones. Just look. That's so big.
There's some ugly ones. The smaller one than me.
Oh yeah.
Show the smaller one. That size one?
There's none any smaller than that.
Yeah, you get that. Lettuce.
Yeah, lettuce. I don't know the cucumbers are that big.
Yeah. But there's too much GMO, man. Even these lettuce. See, I don't know what's that on it.
What, on the lettuce?
Yeah. Pesticide or whatsoever.
What, this one? I mean,
Look at that one.
yeah.
Usually I buy that from the market, man. Supermarket stuff, them have too much preservative. You know, they got too much preservative. Apples? No.
Apples make my throat itch.
Make it show itch.
Yeah.
So guys, so literally, she don't eat cheese. That's good. She don't eat mac and cheese. That's also good. This aisle.
Just rice and stuff. Do you need anything from this one? This island.
It's about you.
I don't know.
You try the next island.
Yeah. This is this one.
You use milk?
Yeah. It's in this aisle.
Yeah. Like what kind of milk you use?
Just normal milk.
We use the milk to make. We're gonna make it with.
Cereal.
We're gonna make cereal.
Just normal milk.
Oh, these are soy milk. Yeah, goat,
Almond.
almond. So I think normal milk will be on the next counter then.
On the next side.
It should be. It should be in the fridge. Yeah, maybe just soy over here. Soy and almond.
We'll see if it's in any of the other ones.
It should be in the fridge though.
But then.
Yeah, but let's continue. We'll get it after.
Like ketchup and stuff. You don't need that.
You don't need no tin stuff. No mackerel and them stuff.
Corned beef.
Corned beef.
Or belly beef, should I say?
Yeah. Bless.
This one I eat in London.
Okay. Just getting one?
2?
You're gonna cook?
Yeah.
That's okay. So how much bull beef you're gonna cook?
I usually just make one. I mean they're small. Because you don't eat it, do you?
No, they cook that for cooking for yourself.
So should I get more? So like they don't.
Yeah, if you wanna cook.
Should I get 2 more?
Bless.
Should I get 2 more?
Yeah. You get used to that.
You get tired.
No, you get used to that after a while.
But you might shouldn't really want that. I'm more of a belly with that. I can eat so much.
So you don't eat mackerel?
I do, but I prefer corned beef. I don't really want it.
Okay. Well.
I'm thinking I should just get the mackerel.
Yeah, suppose you want to cook mackerel and baked bean. Which
How
one?
much should I get?
No, get not those one. Get these ones. So you get 3 of them then. You have to get the original Jamaican mackerels then, you know. You cannot leave out the mackerels. You know, guys, you know we have to brook her in the we have to make sure you know the root of the ghetto steak. You know, they call it the ghetto steak here. Ramens, noodles.
I only eat noodles. You know, I don't even eat noodles in London, but I only eat it up here.
Up here?
Yeah.
Getting some ramens.
4?
What about what you want? We're eating them. Yeah, my diet is totally different from hers. Yeah, it's totally different.
Oh, but you have the
Yeah, we got spring water already. You got juice.
They have the pineapple. They have the chunks, but I'll just put them in the fridge.
You want it like that? You want to get the...
Can you get that other one that's more fresh?
Yeah.
Okay.
No tin pineapple. Hold on there. Get no tin pineapple in Jamaica. What one?
But so far, no.
Where's the other ones then, Jay? It's our chew juice.
There's the cereal and stuff. I like that.
Cereal will be done more. This is the alcohol section.
Cake. I don't need nothing.
Nah.
I do want a toothbrush from here though, but the toothbrushes here are so good.
They're hard. So there's the bun. You want bun? The box one over there. Those ones.
These ones. Is there none without the raisin?
Without raisin?
Yeah, you don't have the normal one.
No, bun without raisin. That's like the regular Jamaican, like the round small buns.
Yeah.
But
like
these.
that.
Oh, you don't like raisin?
I don't. I'm rather without.
Never without. But you're not gonna get these Easter bun without raisin,
Like, I'm
though.
not gonna get the big ones.
No.
Okay, then I can get it. This one. Because I put butter in it.
Put butter.
Yeah.
Cause you don't eat cheese.
one.
Dave, that's the one you want?
Yeah. Is this the best one?
The HTB, that's the original bun. Original Insta bun, the HTB bun. Guys, right? That's your favorite though. HTB. Oh yeah, this HTB.
You know I need Milo. Milo.
I swear there's a Milo there from when Kia was here.
Is it?
Yeah.
So leave it.
Yeah, I think there's a pack of Milos there.
Oh, we still need to get the milk.
Yeah. We get the milk over this section. Sorry. Here's the milks then. These are the milks here.
Yeah. Which one's just which one?
I don't know. I don't drink milk. You know, I'm wishing I drink milk too. But yeah, that's the one that everyone will use. Search.
Big one's enough.
If you're gonna make cereal,
Yeah.
if you get another.
Get another one.
Yeah. Tin milk, so get the tin milk, yeah. Yeah.
Like this button.
What, evaporation milk?
Yeah.
Oh. Well, I think this is the only one they got in the box here.
So yeah, for my hot chocolate.
Because there's no other evaporation milk. I don't see no more.
I'll just get one. Oh, do you already have Lasco? Maybe make it. Oh, you other one wrap
You put which one? The tough one?
it's in an orange like packet.
You put butter on?
Yeah.
We usually put these butter on these growing
The
up.
cream crackers.
Yeah, quick because the nice one.
Yeah, I've tried it. It's nice.
So you can have a big one. But yeah, now I've got 2 bags still. You're right.
Yeah, this is just good.
Yeah. Oh, cereals. Oh, the cereals is on there.
There's butter already.
No.
A butter.
What type of butter?
Any butter. I'm not fussy. This one.
Can't believe it's butter.
Original. Corn flakes. Frosted flakes.
Like those one?
Yeah.
They make them small now.
But that's fine anyway. You guys don't have Cocoa Pops here.
Cocoa Pops.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is somewhere. Cocoa Pops. Cocoa Pops is somewhere.
That these are the fine needs.
No Cocoa Pops. We got Choco.
No.
Sure. Let's see if there's none on the next side. I don't think there will be any on the next side. If we don't see any here, that means that there is none.
we didn't get bread to go
Bread.
with the egg.
The bread section is over there anyway. We're in the right direction.
No. This is my section.
What is number on the list?
Snacks, munchies. This is the munchies spot.
You want anything down there? Okay, thank you.
You like tigers?
No, it's cheesy.
Oh, you get like banana chips.
Yeah, plantain chips.
These ones.
It's not the yellow one.
Okay.
St. Mary's.
Yeah.
He used to get me these like chocolate chip cookies, like they're really small.
Small, how much one?
It's kind of like blue, white and blue packet.
Oreo? Not Oreo.
It's like chocolate chip.
Oh, like cookies.
This.
Okay.
These. They don't have them in like big packets.
Going there?
That's it. Wait, I like these. I like these ones.
Cheese biscuit.
Oh, kiss cake. Remember I had a obsession with the kiss cake. Where's it?
Hey, you got kiss cake, Empress? Next aisle. You thought you grew up that already.
No. Here's the bread. Where's the sliced bread? Which one? The other bread or this one?
They usually use this.
Oh, those red ones. Yeah.
Yeah. They use white.
Yeah.
No brown. No. See? Them not go healthy. Yeah. Then go wealthy. Then go healthy. They go melty. Where's the kiss cakes? You
Oh,
pass it?
there's another brand as well. Is it Twinkies?
Kiss cake. Yeah.
Vanilla one. Oh, like this don't have the Twinkies here.
The
You guys do
Twinkie.
have Twinkies.
Those ones.
Vanilla. That's it.
That's it.
I'm done. I think I'll forget anything.
That's it.
Oh, grapes. Let me see.
It's best to get it out on. Yeah.
Do you have nourishment or is it just the supplement? Oh no, I see. No,
They drink them things they say and go to toilet. Enough, I make you poop up the place. Make you poop up the place. Boy, Kia used to love them. Few of them Kia used to drink.
free.
He said that's all Kia used to love to drink. It's supplement.
Supplements, you know?
Yeah.
Even
That's right.
nourishment. But you don't, I don't think there's nourishment. And you said there's Milo already.
Yeah, I think so. Because I know Keo, who bought one for Keo, I never end up using it. So no one's there. So you say the one, the shoot brush out here?
Oh yeah. Like the one that you have.
Okay. The other one. Huh?
These are just the normal.
Yeah. Did you pick up egg?
I forgot the egg. I think from
Okay, oh yeah.
I still got one that I did. I still got prawn.
Oh,
I'll
prawn.
actually make prawn.
You want one bag of it?
Yeah. Because you eat prawns as well, innit?
Yeah. So this is all that Tay is going to have. No. Keep this to give her the tip when you go outside. Keep her when you go outside. She's gonna put out. Thank you. So this is a trolley. Day, deeper. Our times, yeah?
When they do that, you kick them. Oh, not
Yeah,
have to, but you
yeah,
just
you don't have
kick them.
to. It was good to kick them, you know? Alright guys, so we just done, she just done her shopping, you know? She just done her shopping. So you know what she's gonna be having, you know. So we're gonna head back home to drop these off, and our mom is gonna come meet her down there.
Oh, speaking of, look, she's calling me.
She's calling you.
Oh, she even called me when I was in there, but I wasn't connected.
Oh, call her, bro. I could call Kadeen.
Can you call? Cause it's
It's called Kadeen Street.
So they're probably on their way. My friend was so bad.
This is her number.
Shout out the camera.
Yes, yes. Seat belt. Guys, guess what? Diamante don't have her glasses.
I'm so mad.
She's upset because she daddy have an ears and she's like, oh, what my glasses do?
I left it.
She and left
my
it.
sick at the house.
So guys, so basically we're heading to Spanish Town. You know, our mom is in the next vehicle with her family here and our sister. So heading to Spanish Town now for, I guess we're ahead of them. Okay, go ahead.
This is so pretty. Hi guys, take over how to do this. I don't know how to do it. Denim dress and what you wearing? T-shirt.
Manchester United. They know that that's my
and
team.
shorts. How do I do? Flip the camera like this.
Yeah.
And then on the feet we got, and them have them gold shoes and them watch. Okay, how that flip it again later. Yeah, on the boot. I'm actually good at this.
But you forgot you was doing it? Remember the first time when mommy bring the camera, you was the one that was using it at first.
Yeah.
Putting those clips together. That's why it's how it started.
So we'll see you guys when we're back. And my father, see my father there.
Oh, you speaking patois? See me father there. Yes.
With your trainers, eh?
You know what I mean? Oh, you do it.
My mum might have some. Can you like look at
Hey.
Carrie? Yeah.
Oh, yes, my own to do.
So guys, so that's my daughter mommy again as you see her in the spotlight. You know, as Diamond they don't like when I say baby mom. Don't see, she don't like when I say that. The Jamaican thing. Look on her face when I say baby mom. That one doesn't know. Says my daughter's mom. So we'll stop here again. What going? How's going?
We're gonna get more.
Get what?
Stuff for grandma.
Okay.
Yeah, for the Easter.
So nobody need anything to trust until fortnight?
Trust until fortnight?
Yes, sir.
So we can trust something till fortnight?
Yes, sir, but that's just a condition apply.
Oh, so you're sure you get the money?
Because I mean that when I trust, I'm going to hold on to your land title in case of emergency.
Come on the road.
Yes, sir.
So you hold on for my land title?
Yes, sir.
Bigger than where you
I'm
sell?
just going to hold it temporarily until you come back.
Till you come back?
Yes, sir.
Alright, so you are.
And I wouldn't mind if you don't come back. It's a land me a look.
Alright, so when I get the title here, so when we get it, we'll come trust.
Yes, sir, brother.
Alright.
Love and respect, yeah?
Every time.
Every time, brother.
Yeah, that one the bag. Man said don't mind I don't count. Guys, more shopping again. So apparently my daughter's mom is getting some stuff for her grand.
Tell me what to look. Not anymore.
Guys, which bun you would rather? You know you have it's the purity bun right here. Regular purity bun. Which bun is your choice?
Mine?
HTB too?
Purity. Purity is not bad, you know, it's right. Nice.
So who is this now? Miss Birdie?
Miss Birdie, yeah.
Miss Birdie, alright?
Yeah.
Wings. So you have a coronation bun. I have so many brand bun. You need to have Kino Life in Jamaica bun. There's so much bun. Bun. So many buns. At the same one, Diamond can just buy.
Yeah, that's why I said Billy's got those in that one. Yeah.
Hello. Let me get ready. Do you remember me? Do you remember me? Can I see her? No. She was get big now. Yeah. I remember you. She don't remember me. And Jada.
Jamie there.
I know Jamie. I said Jada. Where's Jada? I know them. I remember them.
Well,
I went to work.
Yeah.
Everybody taller than me. Oh, so look at them.
Alright, you going now?
watch the program. Alright guys, so we just yeah. Yeah, we do. Alright guys. So guys, I'm here. I was like, yeah, I didn't want to. Diamond, how you feel to eat? But you can look. But you have to doubles nice, but I'm sit up.
Nene. Yeah.
When you feel eating?
I don't know what they have here.
Yeah, but all different type of stuff. Curry go.
No, it's not. They're not gonna have that.
They have curry go, but they didn't reach yet, right here, so they train it food.
I'll forever wait. Make sure I'm craving the curry.
So you can look what them have here as well.
Nice. We have red fish, super thick, so we have goat.
Goat head. We have curry goat. So you have to wait when they're
Where they flat belly drink them there?
Around there, sir.
Yeah, where's the herbal man?
Around there, sir. We are going to see.
Mr. Maya,
I'm gonna wait for
I feel like I'm seeing
the corridor lady to get here.
Yeah.
What time is that?
So right so we shall set up. She not reach her.
No.
But you're at Ita spot. Come show you. Right so me always eat. So one of the so this is sons. This is what me eat my Ita.
Vital is vital, you know.
I'm a daughter this, you know. And our mom. My daughter's mom. You know, I got a baby mom in front.
Madam, I take it again. This is my section.
Yeah, man, to eat this stuff. Should I eat this stuff? I got want something because I'm hungry as well, you know. Yeah, this is my spot. So I make you set up something for me as well. You set up my thing.
Right now?
Yeah, right now.
What's that? Quinoa?
No, this is a bulgur.
Bulgur.
Where you getting? Pine and ginger, grab a belch. And then come grab a belch after belch.
After belch, and look, you know, this is the buck shot. You understand? So this is where you get all of your shot them. You understand? June plum shot, you get your moringa shot, you got your spirulina shot. This is where you get the buck shot.
Yes.
We buck shot.
At the grab and belch shop.
After belch.
After belch. When you drink right here, you after belch, you know.
Okay.
Yes, unless something not wrong with you. Which after belch, right? Grab a belch.
Which is right.
Here you go.
Yeah? Yeah, just line to me. I bring them go right to the herbal man and so and come back for it, alright? Yeah, man. You know the thing goes, so I bring that my daughter and our mom to come here to come see Yaya also and see what the night market is like. Yeah, so you know I'm getting my regular vegan food.
I wanna eat.
I wanna eat.
Why'd you give him that?
I don't give him.
That looks like that.
And they have nice patty, you know. You want patty like you probably have ackee patty, plantain tarts patty, pumpkin and
Remember the
shrimp.
plantain.
Or you didn't plantain. But they have other patty around here we can check.
Okay.
You want to get patty, something you want munch?
Yeah.
Or the chickpea shell? Oh, only chickpea. Oh,
I can wait.
You're going to wait till when the lady comes, right?
Yeah.
But like obviously,
And let's go to the herbal man.
let me experience now.
Yeah, so this is my spot where I eat whenever I come here.
Okay.
Sons.
What do you want?
What you want to eat? What? Remember, I don't know say if you don't like them stuff, you can get a meat herring and don't you say, and you fry fryer. Vegan.
All plant-based. No, it looks like chicken, but it's not.
No, try it.
You might as well just become vegan.
Well said. I mean, here's your food.
What is
What
that?
is in there?
So come, so tell them what you know this now. Just pint it out and show them.
Ackee pasta, quinoa, bulgur rice, barbecue tofu, brown stew chickpeas, black bean cowpeas, and kidney bean stew, barbecue falafel and some raw veg.
Me have fat.
Did you get that thing in the middle?
Which one?
We have this spirulina here.
Yeah, yeah, the spirulina sauce sauce. Right.
What is that?
That's the bulgur.
This one make you run up on.
Bulgur. I can go beat the herbal man.
Want to try a wrap?
Oh, you might have a wrap as well too. You want a wrap? No?
Pasta, chickpeas.
You need support, you know?
Yeah, I'm okay, thank you.
You try some of this one's actually nice. I like the barbecue. Spicy. Like the what? The barbecue. It's a vegan.
The barbecue tofu.
Aki pasta.
Kino, I make sure I go close to the TV last week.
like this.
So when I see, this is Rita Marley with Kino Lifestyle in Jamaica.
Bob Marley wife.
Yes, I watch Kino every day. This is my guy, the world. I know Kino is just awesome. Just big him up. He's doing a great job. I'm here at the night market waiting on Kino to come, and he just arrived. Because of him, I get chiropractic doctor stuff done free. And there's a Yaya guy who is the herbalist. I saw him yesterday, and I get all the good stuff. I have high problem. I know I can see actually to walk around without my glasses. Thank you, Kino. You don't know, I have to tell you more about what Yaya have done for me. Great guy. He is international. Kino too. This is Rita from Atlanta, Georgia. And those are our two beautiful daughters over there. Chelsea and Brianna. Show Chelsea and Brianna. Yeah. Hey, Chelsea and Brianna. Kino, you're awesome. The only thing I'm sorry you didn't do is the meet and greet in Florida. I know everything about you. So I was trying to tell name all the guys there. We couldn't come up with good name till today. Boom. And you couldn't remember either, eh? Just actually recording. Oh my goodness. Kino's recording me. So I know all the guys, the team. Awesome team. Kino's doing an awesome job. And you look just like I see on TV. So last week I had to go close up on the TV because I can't to see what you look like. Kino! This is Kino! The awesome Kino! He is great, guys. Watch his channel and let him grow. He's an awesome guy. He's doing such good work.
So much, man.
You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. Yeah, don't be that daughter.
Yeah.
What's up?
How you doing?
Strong. You're drunk?
I said strong.
Oh, you're strong. Big daughter. Hello. Nice to meet you too.
Everybody's on time.
Yeah, thank you, man.
So she's moved, make it happen, which is awesome.
Yeah, I know. I see the resemblance now.
I had to.
Yes, so I tell Yaya that I'm gonna bring you around.
Yeah, I'm gonna come around there. I'm just making them get some food. Yeah. Yeah. What she look like?
Familiar face.
Familiar face.
Yeah, familiar face. For that.
Familiar face. Who for that? I'm a daughter.
You don't ever tell me how big youth.
Yes, man.
Baby youth, yeah. It's true, it's true. You don't pay for.
And this is our mom here.
Beautiful.
Big daughter. Yeah, I sold up her head now. At the first she hear that. That is the first she get that.
Remember I went to the thing for the dogs.
Yeah, Melissa. So I remember I tell her so one time she come Jamaica. I'm because she blew up at the iron and stuff.
Yeah.
Remember now? I'm saying when she come, you know, so there's a chiropractor up here.
Oh, yeah.
I need to go and get something. Brush up the road or something.
Huh?
Yeah. So I'll go and so. Is that this? Is that this?
Just go up when you're ready. That's it from when you
No, wait there so.
functional food right there.
How much
Like me, I use, me just enough, so I use like a tablespoon mix. Yeah. Or 3 teaspoons that.
So would I do this every day?
Every day. Every day. I have to keep sending you right now when I'm finished, man. Every day. And you know this, right? And they actually put this in a lot of the good baby feeding. It's actually a base. One of the main ingredients in here too. And Kino can tell you about raw chocolate.
I feed on that every day.
Magnesium, iron, stem cells. So what you want to do is to regenerate your cells, because when you find yourself iron deficiency, this is down to the bone marrow. So that's why chocolate helps to bring that up. So you know, daddy, I use 2 drops on the matchang, and it's nice.
Yes, just put it under your tongue first thing in the morning.
So what about for like dark spots?
So for dark spot now, you know that's when you're gonna talk to Mel. Yeah, she'll definitely help you to glow and get out at the most. So let me one more thing. So Akeynote, all right, I'm gonna teach you. You're gonna need the adult worm out, your capsule. You shouldn't have any issue.
Tell her she's gonna need that.
You're gonna need the charcoal.
What's that?
You probably you think she's afraid of the powder?
No, tell her no. She will drink once she's here right now around me.
All right. So what the charcoal? This gonna get rid of the parasites that's in you.
The worm
and all the free radicals that's eating you while you're alive. Sometimes you're hungry. It's not you hungry. It's those things inside of you is hungry. So this helps to eliminate those. Very important. Now this. In the morning, you're gonna put 1 tablespoon in your water. What this does now, it helps to get rid of those dead cells. Those, Keno was one. I'm gonna say, you know the story. You come tell me. It's like people say I'm getting a little bit lighter. The reason being, this gets stripped these dead cells from off your body. So you're actually losing what you don't need, and this is good for belly. This is good for vomiting, diarrhea. You name it, headaches. This is an amazing thing that you want to get through. So even with the dark spots you're worrying about, getting rid of those dead cells, and whatever you put on your face after will make you glow even more.
Yeah.
So these are something you're not gonna lose. You're not gonna lose.
You should take it to see. And she take her while she's here?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
So, and what good? This don't send you to the bathroom excess. Because when you go to the bathroom, of course, you'll find that you'll pass more. Heavier. You drink well, this forces you to drink water because you want to flush. You drink water during the day. So night, day.
So you take 4 of these. So she's gonna take 4, right? She's 19.
Yeah. Adult.
So you take 4 of these before you go. So 4 hours after you eat your last meal.
And then when you wake up, an hour before breakfast or after
So what
breakfast.
did he say would I be scared of? Is it nasty?
No, a lot of people when they see the black water, it's like, yo, Kina, she come link you, no?
Yeah.
Oh gosh. A lot of people scared of black water, but it don't have any taste, you know. But I don't know, people are intimidated by the black water.
I was looking for you.
Yeah, it's like I was giving you some time to finish eating.
I was looking for you.
Yeah, that's okay. Chelsea and Bree, we're gonna go.
You go?
Yeah, man.
We're gonna go home.
Okay.
Yeah, so I just said, let me find you and make.
I was looking for you.
So yeah, I know that I found you.
Yeah, I was talking about you.
Yeah.
So
Did you record? Yeah. Or did you record?
yeah, he's there talking.
I know.
So you going now?
Yeah, I'm gonna leave.
So leaving now?
After I tell him bye, yeah. I've been here for too long and the chauffeur is sitting out there, you know?
Yeah.
Impatient.
It's like a flush up.
It's the real stuff. And the rest of this is my real hair, you know? It's not locked.
It's not locked.
No, when I wash it, I twist it.
You're not gonna lock it.
No.
Rick Marley, you know.
I used to have long hair. Sorry. Go ahead.
Hello?
Both of you are gonna need to put on a patch on it.
Melissa?
Very nice. Yes, so much stuff.
Okay, let me call Melissa.
Yeah, go ahead.
Ready for me to register?
Guys, so at the night market chiropractor, from which country are you from?
Well, Mission Life Georgia. We are a non-profit organization that's based in Atlanta, Georgia, led by Dr. Kerith Powell. He is here on site also. I believe he did a demonstration as well as an introduction to the population here at the Kingston Night Market. So persons could actually see what it entails, and so they could come here to benefit from this luxurious treatment that we are having here. We have doctors in training as well as graduate doctors here tonight also, who are giving away this treatment free of cost.
Okay. I never get none of this done in my whole life. I know my body well needed it.
Absolutely.
I'm very, very active.
Absolutely. The mere fact that you you play sports, and the fact that you also drive for extensive hours, this is something that you need to be getting. It is, a lot of persons are not so familiar with the language of chiropractic, but it is really the hands, that does the practicing. Normally you would go to a medical doctor and they'll use a stethoscope and all the other medical equipment to test you, but what the chiropractors do is that they work with their hands, and so they eliminate all interferences between the nervous system, brain cells and tissue cells. So basically what that means is that the brain, it communicates with the spinal column. So when they use their hands and make their assessments, they can tell what's happening in there, and then they will make the necessary adjustments for you. So I believe after leaving here tonight, you're going to be feeling a brand new person.
And I need that brand new me.
Absolutely.
So is Jamaica the first country you guys participate coming in?
No. Mission Life Georgia, we also participate in missions at Haiti as well as in Georgia. So in Georgia we have the Special Olympics program, and that is one of Dr. Powell's babies. He has never missed an opportunity to participate, to do this since he has started, right? And in Haiti, there's a birthing center that Mission Life Georgia is also a part of. We all know what happens in Haiti, and so being there, it's just joy and pleasure for Mission Life Georgia to actually do something for them. But in Jamaica, I must say that this is actually our 7th mission trip here. Yes. This is our 3rd Kingston leg. We have done the northwest leg, which entails Montego Bay, Negril, Westmoreland, that area. And we have also covered the southern leg, where we have gone in to serve residents of St. Elizabeth and Manchester. So Mission Life Georgia, we are actually growing, and I like the pace at which we are growing. For this mission trip, we had an additional training opportunity or service being offered, where we had persons participating in CPR.
Okay.
Yes, CPR training, and that was excellent. So today we have been here since Monday.
Sorry, I'm just gonna run the back
Yeah, just come over.
I will. I'm just
Follow us, feel free to follow us on the social media platforms. We are on YouTube, we're on TikTok, and we're also on Facebook.
So give it a
Mission
shout.
Life Georgia. Follow us, you get updates, and you will know when our next mission trip.
Mission Life
Georgia. So that's MISSIONLIFEGEORGIA.
Okay. So guys, so I'm gonna have to experience, and trust me, I'm gonna be leaving a brand new me. I know I've been doing so much work, so I'm gonna be a brand new me. So second,
Next, your next patient whenever you're ready. Hi, sugar.
Diamond Tech.
I would like to
We have Jake. So my name is Keno. I'm a content creator.
Oh, so am I. Let's go.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So it's Keno Life in Jamaica.
Alright, right on.
So here we're vlogging.
Hey,
so
let's
guys,
go.
so we have Jake here, who's gonna be my chiropractor, is gonna make me feel like a brand new Keno.
Let's go.
Right? So it is it. So the doctor's gonna do the vlogging for me, Tete.
Yeah.
You're a professional now. Right?
Right on. You experienced chiropractic before? First time?
So how do I make the camera go down?
Everything.
Here we go.
Thanks for coming out.
good. That's good. Yep. Big breath here. This top leg is going to bend, only the top one more. So, yeah, you can relax this, I got you.
Like an advert. Maybe.
Put this right here. I'm going to roll you towards me. So that you're not going anywhere. That's the floor, but you're not going anywhere. Alright, yeah. I got you. Let this arm drop. Yep. This hand is pressure.
Did you hear the creak?
You can actually stack these shoulders a little bit and stack them. Stack them up. That's alright.
Keep them on. Would you like to see Yeah.
Shoulder on the table. Push it on and stack it. Yes. And you can look up to the ceiling. Yep. Same thing, I'm just going to roll you towards me.
Very much going to do.
You're far from it, I got you. You're good? You're good?
Does it hurt?
And that left leg on the table. Left leg, your foot's going to be flat on the table. And it's flat right Right there in your chest. Spin the other one, the right one. Like
right side, like it right here.
Ooh, I heard that one.
So the area is an area that flares up, right? So see if I can do this. And basically this whole in the car accident, the car flipped. This side of my body. So my whole like right shoulder, neck, I have flares.
sit at the edge of the table, like all the way to the edge. Sit right here. Very good.
So how was it? How was it? How do you feel?
Pour a lot of water. That's dehydration. You need to drink a lot of water. Hydrate yourself. Yeah. Because a lot of releases like that, you need the body to rest. Drink a lot, hydrate a lot of water. Yeah. Get hydration, freeze.
Okay. Drink a lot of water.
How do you feel? How do you feel?
Feel good. There's a little
tightness
in the back.
Tightness, sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, you had a lot of stiffness right in here.
Okay. Alright, brother. This one. Yeah. Some products for us.
Everything good?
So we have Melissa starting out my princess.
Sorry.
You're not even looking at the cleaner.
Hello.
Starting out my princess. No, she can get us some products. So can get the marks and my things.
You see how I have the dots?
So Melissa's looking glowing. So Melissa's glowing.
So when you come back here,
long
time, so you get a large one. One large one.
So this is where these good products that I use.
Kind of showing.
Oh, this is my daughter's mom.
Hi, mommy. Awesome. Okay then. You all were having stuff before you were supposed to have permission, right?
Yeah.
You're so beautiful, mama.
Start early.
That be same, very early.
And then start no early, then just keep them body fresh.
Body oils, the ones at the front, they're samples, so take it up, open it, put a little drop on your hand, tell me what you like. So these have the color.
It's body oil.
tell the chiropractor set me straight, guy. You know? Set me straight. The man crack some things I never hear crack before. You know? I hear like a million cracks one time. Transform.
Tell me, Bridget. You should
right now, I can feel.
to get some of the chiropractors.
To be honest, right now, I feel straight. I can't even bend, to be honest. So that means,
Yes, sir.
yeah, it was good.
Contact me. Okay.
Feeling good.
I'm not done with this card, you know, but go on, give a number. I'm here almost every day. Well, not almost, I'm here every 2 weeks. So far.
Oh, yes, guys, I'm feeling really good right now. Trust me.
Straight. Go ahead.
Manners. Aye! Big up yourself. You know where the thing go?
See me. One.
Like, I need this.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Chiropractic is fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.